Hey guys, hello world. My name is Jamal Ingram. I am a Walmart employee. I work at the store 4383. That's my store number, and I work at the store located in Dearborn, Michigan. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a foolproof, full coverage wear makeup look of products that you can find in Walmart. All these products that I use in the video, you know, I'm using a full face of products you can find at Walmart. All of the products that I mention in the video you can find at Walmart. If I don't mention it, you can't really find it at Walmart, but these are really good products. Y'all should definitely give them a try. I love makeup. Y'all know I love makeup. I love shopping. I shop at Walmart all the time because I work there, of course, for my makeup. So yeah, so with that being said, y'all, right before we get into this video, please hit that subscribe button and join me here on the Royal Flush, the Royal Family, the Royal Court girl. And also do not forget to hit the bell notification button right after you subscribe. Once you subscribe, it's a gray bell that appears right after you subscribe. Click that to be notified for my future videos. Also, at any point in this video you guys are enjoying yourself, you guys enjoy me on my channel, my content, everything like that, then give this video a big thumbs up. And with that being said, y'all, let's just get into this video.
Baby, you better use it. Use your imagination.
Okay guys, first I'm going to start off with skin. I'm going to be using the Olay Total Effects Whip Moisturizer with sunscreen in it. And I really have been trying this moisturizer for a minute now. And I'm just gonna apply this everywhere. I really have been trying this for a minute because y'all, if y'all don't know, sunscreen breaks me out. So yeah, mostly every sunscreen I use breaks me out, but this one does not break me out at all, and I'm really happy for that, because y'all, who got time to be breaking out over the summer over something that's supposed to protect your skin? And yeah, so it was like $28, $25, something like within that range, and it does not break me out, and I'm so excited and happy about that. And every product that I mentioned, just like I said in the intro, you can find at Walmart, at your local Walmart. Yeah, and it does not leave a blue tint over your skin as well. It does not, and I really like that about that. So yeah, this is really good. For primer, I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I really enjoy this primer. It is really good. As y'all can see, I have went in on this primer. It's really good. It's a really good primer. Like, it's just really good. For my next primer, I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base. Oops, sorry. So there it is. It's really good. I really enjoy this primer as well. As y'all can see, I go in on this primer as well. So this is a really good primer. This one is a really good primer if you have pore problems, like, you know, you have large pores like I do, because I am a man in makeup and I am a man that wears makeup. So this is a very good primer for you if you have, like, you know, large pores like I do. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. I love this face powder so much, and I'm going to be setting my primer, because if you have oily skin like I do, it's better to set your primers that you are going to use. Set those primers so they don't move, and so they just do everything that, you know, so they don't slip and slide and mix in with your foundation, just so they stay doing exactly what they're supposed to do and stay in that area pretty much, y'all. So now that you know your primer and everything is pretty much set, y'all, I'm about to go in with the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation. This is a really good foundation. It's really good, and I'm also going to be mixing it with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation too as well. I forgot to wet my beauty spoon. I'll be right back. Don't follow my lead, y'all. I added on a lot of foundation, okay? So I'm just gonna be taking and mixing it in together. Do y'all see that? Full freaking coverage. Oh my God. Now for concealer, I'm going to be taking the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer, and I'm just going to be using that to highlight under my eyes. Now I'm going to be taking the Coty Airspun Loose Setting Powder. I love this setting powder. It's literally the best setting powder I've ever tried, high-end wise. Like high-end, low-end, it doesn't really matter. This powder does it for me. It does the job, and I just really, really love it. I bet y'all just like, it's going crazy. Like I don't know. So after you set your face, this is what I call baking. I bake my entire face with Coty Airspun, my favorite powder, and I go in with a pressed powder, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me in 330, the matte and poreless one. And I take that, and you gotta take a foundation powder that's your skin color and dust that right off. I love this combination because it just makes my skin look so flawless and so porcelain. And I really, really love it. It is a really good foundation powder. You can wear this alone if you want for like just a light coverage. You can wear the powder, but girl, I don't have time for that. I like to do extra, okay? And this is like for, you know, you can do this like if you want something natural, because that's what I'm doing, really like a natural face, but like full coverage pretty much. So it's kind of intimidating for people, but that's why we gotta get down to the basics. Like, you know, just like, you know, like anybody has to learn the basics of anything, like any kind of makeup. And now that we're starting to look like ourselves, I'm going to go in with another foundation powder, and this is the Black Radiance Press Powder, and it's a little bit darker. It's a lot darker. It's maybe 3 shades darker than my actual skin tone, and I'm using that to contour, and I'm taking that on a fan brush and just carving out my cheekbones, contouring. That's what I'm doing. See, like, look at this side and then look at this side. This side is still kind of flat and this side has definition. I'm going to be taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm going to just browns my skin up, you know, add a little warmth to it. It also adds a little sheen, which I really like and enjoy. Just a little sheen. Like, now I'm going to take a tapered brush and I'm just going to dust off this bake. For blush, I'm going to be taking the NYX Ombre blush, which looks something like this. This is the NYX Ombre blush. It looks so pretty, and I'm just going to swirl that around. And, ooh, that looks like a lot. And just apply that right here. Right here. It's very pretty. Ooh, it adds like a nice little sheen. Now the next thing that I love to do, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Mega, oh shoot, the Wet n Wild Mega eyeliner. It's really good, it's a really good eyeliner. And I'm going to line the top of my eyelids. I am loving this base. It is looking so good. Oh my God, like porcelain, like period. Oh my God. I don't remember like my skin looking this good in a minute, so. Okay you guys, so I popped on my lashes off camera and I came back and I'm going to be taking the LA Girl strobing, not LA Girl, but LA Colors strobing highlighter. Look at that, it's so pretty. Okay, and I'm just going to highlight my face with this. I love this highlighter, it's so good. But I have not used it in so long. God. I actually want to apply it right here, too. Right on the cheeks. Right there where you smile. Okay, just like that. And for lips, y'all, I'm going to be taking the Milani Plumping Lip Gloss in Prismatic Peach. I'm like, what the heck, you can't focus? So I'm about to take that and just finish off with the look. Okay you guys, so this is the finished look, which is this nice extra full coverage wear of products that you can find at Walmart, you know, and yeah, I really enjoyed filming this video, y'all. Like, it was such a nice video. I have not worn an actual highlighter in so long. I've always worn just other products in general. So yeah, I know this makeup like look is kind of extra, it's kind of full coverage, but that's just me. That's just me. That's just how I express myself. I love full coverage wear makeup. Sometimes I go for a more natural glow, but today I want to go for like foolproof coverage makeup. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and do not forget to hit that subscribe button right before you leave. Also leave a comment right down below of which products you actually tried out in this video that you tried out before and that you love. If you did, if you want to try some of these products in the future, leave a comment down below. So yeah y'all, with all that being said, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.